Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of the screen to bring down the toggles, swipe down once more to extend the list of visible toggles, and just locate the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me, it is right over here on the first page, but if you don't see yours in the first one, you can swipe to the left, and as you can see, there's additional page. Anyway, once you see it, you can hold this, which when holding it gives you this first gives you this kind of overview, so you can enable it for 1, 2, 4 hours or until you turn it off, which until you turn off is the default option if you just tap on it instead of holding it. We can also navigate to the details, which is disregard the pop-up right here, which the details takes you basically to the settings. Here you can customize how the mode will function, so we have things like schedules right here. You can select a fully automatic one. You can also select what happens when you tap on it manually. So instead of being selected to be until you turn it off option, you can actually choose the timer yourself right here. And whatever you select here right now will be what will happen every time you actually tap on it. So right now it's selected to be 4 hours. Just to demonstrate it, if I were to tap on it, it's going to run for 4 hours and then automatically turn off. And this is separate from this right here. Even though it's technically falling under this category, it looks like it selected this one. That is only because the time just matches this one right here. Now, additionally, we have options for calls and messages, so you can select who can call you or message you, notifications for apps and alarms and other interruptions, and also notifications at the very bottom. So once you have gone through the settings right here and customized them, you can close this and you don't ever have to go back there again. And whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, find it, tap on it, and you're good to go. And if you're using Do Not Disturb mode on a schedule, then just make sure that it is toggled on in the settings, the schedule itself, like so. And that's all you need to do. The device will do everything else for you. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.